Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Secret Point, and my name is Milan, and in this video session we will see about how to write a Java program by using abstract class. Okay, so in this video we will see about a program based on abstract class. So let's see what we are going to do today. Okay, as you can here see that already I have written one program, that is a class with the name of loan, which is of abstract type, and within that abstract class loan I am taking one method for float get ir method, that is also of abstract type, and its return type is a float, means that get ir method is returning one floating point value, and as it is of abstract type, so whatever the class will extend to the class loan, uh, extend to the class abstract class loan, then that class is having the responsibility to implement this method. Okay, so as you can see here that gold loan is extending the abstract class loan. Okay, so that class gold loan is here having the responsibility to implement the method get ir. So we are providing the implementation part of the definition part of the getir method here. So here you can see that one statement is here, that is return 7.5, means the getir method of gold loan class is returning one value, that is 7.5 f. And similarly another class we are taking here, that is class craft loan. This class also extends loan class, that is the loan class is also is of abstract type, so that whatever the methods are they are present inside that abstract class, that is abstract type. So we need to implement that abstract method here. Okay, so we are implementing that getir method also here, and this getir method of craft loan class returning one value, that is 3.0 f. Okay, and now you can see that I'm taking another class, that is class study loan. This class is also extending the after class loan, so and implementing the method getir, and here what the value is returning this getir method is 12.0, that is a floating point value, this returned by this getir method. So now this is the class test, you can see here that the class test public static void mains main method, this is the main method. So within that main method we are creating a reference variable for the abstract class, that is loan l1. L1 is a reference variable for the abstract class loan, and we are creating the object for the child class. Child class are what? The class which are extending the loan class. All those classes are child class. Here gold loan, craft loan and study loan are all the child class of loan class. Loan is the parent class, and gold loan is the child class. Similarly loan is the parent, craft loan is the child, similarly study loan is the child. Okay, in the first statement we are creating a reference variable for the class loan, and we are creating an object for the child class gold loan. Okay, now through the reference variable l1 we are creating here, see, through the reference variable we are calling the method getir. So what method is calling here, that you will come to know whenever we will compile or run that program. So before that I am saying it, that it will print whatever the return value of getir method of the gold loan class, that will be printed on the output. Okay, that output will be gold loan interest rate is the value of the which is returning from this method from the gold loan class. Similarly loan l2, here what we are doing is we are creating a reference variable of class loan, that is l2, and we are generating one object for the class craft loan. Okay, now through this reference variable l2 we are trying to call the getir method. Through the l2 reference variable we are trying to call getir method. L2 reference value means what? Here l2 reference variable is holding the reference value of craft loan object. Okay, whatever the object will be generated of the craft loan, that object reference value hold by this variable l2. So this is variable is called reference variable. Okay, as the reference variable is used to hold the reference value of the object, So we are calling this method, sorry, calling this variable as the reference variable. Similarly, here you can see that we are creating a reference variable for the loan L3, for the class loan, that is L3 is the reference variable. Okay, and now we are creating an object for the study loan class. Study loan class object is creation here. So now through the L3 reference variable we are calling the method getIR. So whatever the value is returning through the getIR method of the study loan class, that will be printed here. That means that output will be study loan interest rate, the value. Okay, now the most important part, focus here. Okay, after class reference and its object, after class reference and its object, loan L, as we know that loan class is of abstract type. So remember that we can create reference variable for a abstract class, but we can't create any object for the reference, sorry, we can't create any object for the abstract class. You can create reference variable, the, as you can see here that in the above we have seen, we have created reference variable for the abstract class, but we were not able to create any object for the abstract class. But now here we are trying to create an object for the abstract class loan, so it will raise a compilation error. Okay, so I'm just commenting it because it is going to raise some error. We will see what error it is showing, we will see, but before that we need to compile it. So just start compiling this process. Okay, so before that just wait for some time, I am zooming it so that you can able to see it clearly. Go to run. Okay, now go to command. Okay, now you can see here that my command prompt got opened, and now I have to switch to the location where I am keeping all my Java programs. So switching to the Java program, and okay, wait, I am opening now. Okay, that's it. Now we have to write the compilation command. Okay, as we have taken in the main method main class as test class, so we have to take test.java, java seed file name dot java is the compilation command. Now press enter, the compilation will be over. Now it is saying that loan is abstract, cannot be instantiated, means we forgot to save this class, I think, because we were already did comment to it, but still it is raising this error, means we forgot to save it. Okay, now save it, and again do compilation of it. Okay, okay, now we got successfully compiled out. Okay, now we have to run this program. So in order to run our program, what command we have to use, that is java file name, java file name, that is java's test. Here file name is test, so I am using test. Press enter. So here you can see that gold loan interest rate is 7.5, craft loan interest rate is 3.0, study loan interest rate is 12.0. From where this value we are getting? We are getting this value from the method. What is the getIR method is returning? Return 7.5, return 3.0. These statements we have written inside that method, right? So accordingly, that getIR method is returning this value to the calling method. Okay, as we are calling these methods through the reference variable of after class loan, so during the calling time these values are returned. Okay, so now exit from this. Okay, oh sorry, I have to show you that output, uh, well, what error we are getting, right? Okay, wait for some time. Where it is, where it is. Okay, okay, now see that I am just removing the comment line from this statement, that is loan L equal to new loan. Here what we are doing is we are creating a reference variable L with we are creating an object for the abstract class loan. Okay, we are generating a object for the abstract class loan. So what the output is compiler giving, let's check. before that we have to save it. I'm forgetting save. Okay, so now we have saved it. Then see what output we are getting, what compiler is saying. Java C test dot java. Let's see what the compiler is saying, that loan is abstract, cannot be instantiated. Okay, as you can see here that loan is abstract class, so we cannot instantiate it, means we cannot create any object for the abstract class, it is saying that. Okay, so just come to this source code and make it comment once again and save it. Now go to your command prompt once again, clean the screen. Okay, now type java c test dot java. Now you can see that your program got compiled fine. Now run it, it's run fine, it executed fine. So that's it. And now it's time to note it down of this program. If you are interested to note it down, then you can take it from the screen. And you can take it by pausing your video also. So I'm just slowly scrolling down the screen. Okay, that's it for today's session. Hope you like this video. And if you liked this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Keep referring to your friends also, which will keep motivated to me. And thank you for watching this video. Take care.